Elevator, elevator, elevator. Hello guys, welcome back to another elevator video. Today we are filming these 3 elevators at Brno main train station in Brno, Czech Republic. Okay. 8% 613 kilograms, weighed in 2006, 1017, C code C5NE 60919. This is the Brno main train station in Brno, Czech Republic. Some fans writes me on YouTube channel, wrote me what about elevators at Brno main train station? And I say, no problem, I'm going to record it. Nice Brno main train station. Elevator, Brno main train station, Brno Hlavní nádraží. This is the complex of 3 elevators at Brno Hlavní nádraží. Another elevator, and you can see it. So you can see another elevator. Push 630 kilograms, 2 C code 117, C5NE 6020, built in 2006 too. Third, shut up. The third rail at Brno Hlavní nádraží. It's really big main train station in Brno, and now you can see another elevator. Scenic elevator. Scenic elevator. Some trains are here. Regio Panthers. Let's take it to the first. I got this clip because lots of people. Sorry for that. The 4th perron. I'm so far. some snow is that, and it's okay. Pretty nice view from main train station Brno Hlavní nádraží. Nice. And let's get back to the ground floor. Some snow is okay. 8 pushes inside 30 kilograms, 2 Seagulls 117, C5NE 6021, built in 2006, and third elevator in this Brno main train station. Okay, let's take final ride in this elevator. And so you can see that's all for this elevator video. Please like and subscribe me on my YouTube channel, and like it and next time at another elevator video. See you guys then.